tower, please. Vince Brown, need you to the tower. Also, still need to see somebody for CFC Racing. We need to see you up here, please. J.D. Maces bringing him around in 52. Maces headed back to the stride, making Maces the transfer. This is moto number 53, Frank Delgado. Got it going his way. How about that, Frank? I didn't do anything to your name this time. Out of Modesto, California. Doing it first. Robinson is Frankie Del Taco. Bringing it back to the stride. Delgado, the transfer. Corky Gainsford got it going his way right now in Moto 54. Gainsford with Mikey the Mouse. Shutting it down, had all he wanted. Bringing it back, got to be Corky with the transfer. If I can work it, bringing it back there. Tax and license, not included. Thank you for shopping at Kmart. Bringing him at us right now. This is 56, looking for one, the 170 Raider. The 170.
Come on, John!
Come on, that was Moberg. Bringing it back, number 57, the 26 in control. That is
John!
Picks up the transfer. 58, hey, that Greg Hill skills book is free if you get over to GT Trader. That is a hot deal. You can't beat that one. Get on over there. John Renner bringing it back. All seriousness aside, it's going to be Renner, the transfer. For position, and they come out, they go. Atkins will go to the stride, make it Atkins hanging on. Ooh, what a race. 60 home, make it Corey with the transfer. Moto number 62, looking for one out of this one. Mark King flies by to the hot spot. It is King with a 6-16 Ford, give and take. King and Ford, 1 and 2. We're looking for just one young and bringing it back. It's got to be Mark King, the transfer. The 8 rider, that is Jenny Hammond. One rider going to do it. Trevor Higgins picking up that transfer.
Go to the berm.
17 to 20 cruisers. One rider coming out of this one. One rider going to do it. Got the big number 1, Shawn Winners. Winners doing it for pedal power. Out of Canyon Lake, California, into the corner as they come. It is Winners and Kelly. Glad to see Kelly back after a knee injury. Finally got it back on the track, but it is Winners. Your transfer. 21 to 25 cruisers. Moto number 67. Got the Mega Man, Eggerman in control. It is Eggerman and Stone. Eggerman and Stone. We are Vince Brown. Bringing it back around, Eggerman looking for one rider to transfer. Eggerman and Stone bringing it home for color control. Make it Eggerman the transfer. 68 to Moto.